Today I'll be teaching you how to make thumbnails for your videos. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to choose the video you're going to want to put the thumbnail on. So I'm going to do the Roblox one that I asked a question on. Then you want to go on any app you want with your character on it that you want to take like a picture of. So you don't always have to do this, but I just want to show you how you do it. So you take a screenshot of it, maybe sitting down or standing up, and then you crop the picture so it's easier for you to, obviously you don't have to crop it right at the moment, but I recommend to, because that's how I'll do it. So once you've done that, you want to go into, you'll need Pixar for that, so you'll go in Pixar and choose any background you want. You can always go to free photos and that stuff, but press on that, you've got to press the plus button and you've got to find any picture or background you want. You can get one from the app or you can get one from yourself, so from Google and that stuff like I did. So here's some of my thumbnails, but I'm going to find the background. So here's my background, this pink one I already used, but I'm going to use it again because I really like it. So you press onto photos and get your animal that you've got. So then you want to go place it wherever you want, and you're going free crop, and then you have to put the things, like colour in the things that you want to be in the video, so like maybe any pets, but basically what I'm doing is my animal. And there you have it. You can always, well, try and make it the most so you can't see any of the background in unless you want background. So you'll place that wherever you want, and you can just put some shadow on it or like whatever you want on it. So then you want to go into press apply, and then you want to go in text and maybe write something like what you're going to be doing in this video, so something really attractive. So like I'm going to be probably saying Roblox or that in, just think I wrote Roblox on it, and then you want to choose the colour of it. So you can always choose any colour, like if you want to go for bold colour or you want to go for matching colour. As you can see, I'm going to go for pink because I want it to match the background. Or I could have gone for black. And then you can always put an outline on it if you wanted to. This is optional, you don't have to do it. And then you can choose a font unless you don't want to change the font. But be careful, if you don't have the membership on Pixar, then you'll have to pick a free one without the crown on. So here I've got my text that I really wanted. So I'm going to place it where I want it, and for extra detail you can always choose an emoji. So you go into text and you click on the emojis and you can choose any emoji you want. So I'm going to choose the curious one right here, and I'm going to make it big. As you can see, it's big, and there you have it. You can place it wherever you want. You don't have to do any of these like I'm doing. You can just have a simple thumbnail. Then you want to go into next once you're done, or maybe even add any pictures or stickers that I'm going to do. So I'm going to add these clouds in just for some aestheticness. So I'm going to choose where I want to put them. I'm going to put them probably right there, or maybe even somewhere else, because I want everything to be clear and make sure that it's not squeezed together, it's kind of out there, and that it'll probably fit on the thumbnail. So then you go into next once you're done, if you're happy with your product, and then you can go into photos. Well, you don't have to go to photos, it probably will save. Then you'll need a YouTube Studio, which is a free app. Then you have to sign in, and you go into videos, which you go into videos. Unfortunately, I'm here going on to random stuff for no random reason, but here I am. Then you should find the video that you want to do. So I'm going to go for the Roblox one, which I'm going to scroll down because it's pretty an old video. So there we go. Then you're going to click on the pen, and then it will come up with edit thumbnail. Then you click onto the custom one, and then you should find that in your photos. And there you go. You have got your thumbnail. Then press save, and it should save. It won't go, if you go on YouTube and want to look at it, it probably won't be there for the first few minutes, but it will get there eventually whilst it loads through YouTube Studio, if you want to do it on mobile like I'm doing there. So as you can see, I'm trying to refresh because I know it won't show up, but because I've done some thumbnails today and it didn't work. So bye guys, hope you enjoy this video.